New here, please do subscribe, please leave us a like and a comment, I'll be sure to get back to you. Please do smash that notification bell to get notified when I'm going to release the latest content. Last week we went over stall snapbacks. This week we are going to learn how to catch it behind our back and also do the turning chain unwinder. Right, so first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to stall snapback. If you do this too hard, you're not going to be able to catch it, okay, because the nunchuck's going to be too high. Right, so please do bear that in mind on the velocity that you are snapping it back. Right, so what you're going to do, okay, you're going to have your hands this side, your back, okay, so you do the stall snap back here and you're going to need to turn into it with your bum. So without the nunchucks, okay, I do a stall snap back and I turn into it like this, okay. If you notice that angle here, you're going to be able to grab it here, alright? So I'll show you now. Whoosh, turn. Okay? Stall snap back, turn. Alright, so you need to get that down, alright? Second of all, what you need to do, you need to get used to your footwork, okay? So once you turn here into the move, whoosh, you're then going to take a step back, step forward, like this. But that's going to be all in one swift motion, okay? So I hope you can see my feet. So I go here, so the small snap back's already done. Here, here, whoosh. Yeah, and then we go into a chain unwinder. So really quick, this is what it looks like. Okay? So when you do it in one swift motion, it is a lot better for you to learn it and just get the feel of it, you know, because you're learning nunchucks. Nunchucks is a super cool prop. Okay, so please do remember, alright, to practice. You're not going to learn this move just by watching this. You're going to need to practice over and over again for days, okay? But you'll get this, okay? It is a bit of an intermediate move, but I've got faith in you. See you soon, guys.